All right, we got another massive box here. Let's do a little unopening. And let's see what we got in here. Some goodies. Some electronic goodies. And this box is very heavy. So, thanks for that. All right. Oh boy. Let's take a look. Gear of the Year 2019, highly recommended. The WA Tube Condenser 251 Tube Condenser Microphone. True CK12 style capsule large diaphragm from Warm Audio. The WA251 was created to offer a classic microphone design to a new generation of recording artists at an affordable price. I am excited to check that out. The WA251 condenser microphone. Ah, yes. And then we have the WA47 Junior. This is, I think, $299 or... I think it's $299, $300. So I really wanted to see what their entry-level microphone could do. So I requested to hear this, the WA47 Junior. And I had tried out this one. There's a lot of microphones in here. I had tried out the WA47. But I wanted to try it again because I think this is probably the second microphone or first, maybe even the first microphone I ever tried. And I wanted to shoot it out again after going through the line, their models, and seeing everything else. And I wanted to see this one more time. So I had asked for that again. And then now to power it all, I have not been using any of the Warm Audio preamps. I've been using either Apollo plugins or Manley or Neve plugins, hardware, or my Avalon. So they sent me, thank you to Bryce and Aubrey at Warm Audio. They sent me the WA73 EQ, which is a Class A 73 style mic pre. So now I can hear kind of how they kind of design their mics to sound using their pre. I was very curious to know what their line of products sounded like working together, as opposed to using some sort of outside influence. So I have a lot of work to do to set this up and try it for you guys. But I'm very excited. I want to really see, because a lot of voice actors are asking me, they don't have $1,000, they don't have $2,000, or $5,000 for a top line microphone. Hey, they're just getting started, and they got under $500, maybe $750, $500. So that Junior, I'm really interested in trying, because you can hop on board with an Apollo Aero or a Focusrite interface with built-in phantom power and that Junior and get rolling. I wanted to see, is that possible? Could that be competitive? So, excited to see what happens. Thanks for tuning in, and I will be making reviews for this gear.